Oh, hey. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize there was heaps of people that had dropped in there. Hey, what's going on? Hey, how's things? It's like after midnight. You've dropped in on me at late time, but hey, how's things? I'm kind of like since you dropped in, why not give you a rundown of this thing? The UI stuff's going a bit crazy, but let's save this and restart the browser, and then not the browser, the EON editor, and then I'll do a run. But Beanstalk Brawlers. So it's a multiplayer game. Just give me one sec while it saves. Hey, hey, Sandbox, what up? What's going on? And it's almost saved. We'll just give it a little bit of time. The clouds all kind of move. The general premise is it's a beanstalk in the middle of a desert. Obviously, you have to have lots of sand. It's in an oasis and it's coming out of a cave. You've got an outer area, which is a viewing area, and you've got an inner area, which is an arena area. There are 3 levels: the cave level, the ground level, and the sky level. The top, which is the Cloud Kingdom, is Jack and the Beanstalk. So there's a castle, like a giant's castle at the top of the beanstalk, which I'm just kind of building out now. Each level you start as either a lower or an upper team, and you've got to take the flag off the other team and get it into the full metal core. And it's saved, so let's do this. And shout out to my game, Deep Vault Digger. Our season is currently open at the moment. There's a few days left of qualification, but that's not what I'm doing right now. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so let's hit play. Multiplayer's not quite working on this yet. Oh, I haven't tested any of the top level yet, so I don't know how this is even going to look. But the clouds should all be moving very, very slowly on some, faster on others. We've got some more speedy clouds coming in. Yep, that's how you start. So the premise is that you basically start at the bottom, you work your way up. Each level is agnostic of the players, like you just ready each side, and once each side's ready, your flags spawn and you go for the middle. You can replay each level, you can draw if that's not, no one gets the flag in the middle in 5 minutes. And if you draw, you can just go up and ready again, but you'll be on the same team. If you want to change teams, you've got to go to the lower or the, oh, I can show you here. You got the full metal cores. Okay, I do need to make them go further. Each level has a different one. You've got viewing area teleporters, which, oh, that's a bit cluttered, isn't it? Take you down. So this is the cave level. In the middle of each of these, if you're a spectator, there's very low gravity, including a jetpack, so I can jetpack up. But these are, oh, I can also teleport. Oh, that's the bottom, sorry. That's the top and the bottom of the other level. So I'm in a viewing area. It's the core. I can drop down. Let's go up 1, and then I'll start, and I'll just give a demo of this thing. So we go up. So this is now the middle ground level. And we can go up to the viewing area. We can drop down from the viewing area on the sides. And then we'll just go back up to the top and start. You kind of look, you got like a big cave, kind of almost. That's the sky level. I haven't finished building the beanstalk yet. It needs more detail and I need to do the top. I've actually decided to leave the blocks that I use to build the beanstalk in the final level. The bottom, you have a barrier on the core that has 100, and you're kind of more tanky characters. Got more health. The middle level's more balanced. You're faster. You're less tanky. You don't have jetpacks on either. The top level, you're really fast. You have jetpacks, and there's no barrier on the core. The barrier on the middle level's got 200 health instead of 100. So I'll just do a run. Start at the bottom. So down, that's a lobby, it's a lower lobby, up is upper team lobby. Okay, and so now this is closed off. I can't get out of here. The spectators can't get in, and all the players have to do is one of the players has to, oh, I've got it on low gravity, it's moon gravity outside. So I ready the bottom. When the top gets ready, we'll kick off. We need to get around the side, hang on. Oh no, I need to bounce up there. Alright, okay. Alright, now once I hit this, we're ready. We start. We got to get the other team's flag. So, that's my that's my flag. If I put that in there, I lose. So I shouldn't be doing that. I can't get to the other things. I'll leave the flag behind. I can't get to the other lobbies for the next level yet. So I've got to go down and steal the flag from here. And then I've got to get the other team's flag. Well, they're going to defend it, obviously. And then I've got to get that in the middle. Okay, and the upper team won that one. The players can go back and ready again and go again, or now the lobby's open. I'll start at the top this time instead of starting at the bottom. Okay, so just seeing, we've still got people. So this is all just today. I haven't really had a chance to optimize any of how this looks, but we're at the top, so let's ready this now. As cubes, the beanstalk being cubes works quite well. It makes it easy to kind of go around, and you're going to have teams of people. So I have 3 classes in this. I probably won't have the classes, but you've got a tank, a thief, and a support kind of all things role. So you can see there's no barrier. Whoops, that wasn't the bottom. Okay, and then we make that ready. And now we're gonna go for the middle. I'm just gonna take my own. Oh, that's not okay. There's a bug. Level start is not working properly on this one for some reason. I need to look into why. Something wrong with the spawners. That's not what's supposed to happen. And it's trapped me. Alright, it's a bug that's cropped up earlier. It was working all the way to the top before, but it looks like I've got a bug that's not starting this level for some reason. Anyway, you get the idea. I have to bug fix that and get that working before I go to bed, because the last level's supposed to be really fast and kind of get you like it's like a snap fast level because you've already done 2, and you could obviously 3 levels so that you know who wins if you've got teams of upper and lower. But you can rebalance too. So every single level at the end of that, when you go into the lobbies, you can just have anybody can jump on whatever team. I mean, you can completely unbalance the team and have one person versus a whole bunch of other people too. So you can do whatever mix. Anyway, thank you. That is kind of where that's at. I'll keep building this castle out a little bit more. It's like 1:45 in the morning for me, and I work a day job, so I have to work tomorrow as well. But seeing as you're all here, and thanks so much for watching, I will continue to build out this castle a little bit. This thing's really cool. It's basically like the same as Sandbox when you're digging, not digging when you're building, sorry. So you've got triggers, you've got a logic board, the logic board has pretty much everything that you'd be familiar with in Sandbox. And then on your things here, you just add components, like behaviors and components, same kind of thing. I was having an issue earlier with the spawn points and their triggering because I think they are single player or they weren't working and they weren't communicating. If I set up a relay, it worked. I could send it to rules and then send it out. It all worked. Anyway, let's build this thing. It's a little bit annoying. It's not doing that in the thing. I do need to change these. Hang on while I remember. Probably needs to be like, where's the display distance? 15, probably needs to be 30. All right, and then let's build this castle. 30 and 30. It's like I've been building for like 3 days. I feel like it's so early in the morning. I must look like crap. It's all good. 30. And then the walls, but let's save it. I should probably do a safe build, so safe save. That should be enough just to look in there. I can fix that more later. I'm pretty sure that the wall I need. These are all free assets too. I have just imported all of the assets. I built the beanstalk just using cubes, pure sandbox style. Okay, that's gonna probably work, I think. 10. Whoa, no. What were the other ones like? 7, maybe. Doesn't really matter. Okay, look, that's gonna work, I think. I just need to make it not as long. Okay. No. These UI things are kind of getting in the way a bit. I'll log that as a requested fix. Am I? Yeah, I am. Cool. They're not going to go in here anyway, so it doesn't need to be perfect. Where did it join on that? Like quite far forward on it. Yeah. Cool. No, didn't want to get another one of you. I wanted one of you. Alright, cool. So let's go. No. Alright, and that should do me almost for this part. Come on, UI. Get here to nowhere. Alright, and I actually like it coming out more. Alright. And then just a big one on the back. That should be all we need for now. Just to trick them to thinking that there's more to the structure than there is. Whoa, wrong side. It's nearly Y is up, of course. 12. Yeah. Okay. If I look inside that, does it kind of look like, can I see? It's kind of a bit close, isn't it? Alright. Needs to be like back a bit. Can you actually see there's a gap? Yes. And then just sides, that should do. You can probably see that there's no cloud there. Mega stretch on that one. No, because it's going to look dumb from below. I haven't got a bottom on it. Alright, we'll just worry about that later. I don't want to figure that out now. Because the bottom's already a bit iffy. The edges, you can see the seams. I haven't done lighting, and I tried doing some ambience earlier, and I was having a bit of a problem getting the ambience working. So now I just need to figure out the middle level so that it's working properly again. So why isn't it calling level start? Something to do with the ready on these. Shouldn't be. It's a pretty simple system. Let's go from the lobby. So the lobby, it's probably something to do with the lobby and the relay. The lobby, yeah, upper transition relay, that's correct. It's going to be some, because the relay is what I did most recently. No, I don't want the lobby marker. I want the core. I don't want the lobby marker. My goodness. Alright. Is it relay? Lower transition relay. Correct. And then my relays. No. Sign play, lower, lower, upper, upper. Yeah. So then the spawn points up here. Yeah. Why have we got? That's just the spawn, isn't it? There's no other spawner there. No. Okay. Have I got a spelling mistake? No, because one's relay, right? That's, yeah. And we don't want relay. Sign term lower transition. I mean, that doesn't matter anyway, because all it needs is an avatar in range. It shouldn't matter. This is all designed to be like completely agnostic of the other components. Doesn't care. Slow team ready. And this barrier here should just spawn. Yeah. So lobby closed, and then the lobby itself kills itself when it opens. The lobby opens on level started. And so level started also fires these. So it has to be level started that's not level dot start that's not firing. So why? Because I got the flags. So it has to have fired because I got the flags. Because it also triggers the flags. Oops. So yeah, upper team ready. Upper team ready. Cool. So that's like it literally shouldn't even spawn the flags unless it's ready to go. So I might have to troubleshoot this tomorrow. There's something, the message is not being received. I might even have to relay the ready. Okay, let's do that. I think maybe Cyber Dragon has fixed something in the multiplayer that wasn't working before, and because he's fixed that, it's causing some kind of a problem with the message. It's possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a relay for each of the readies. So upper team ready, relay. And I'm going to do the same for the lower team on each of them. Lower team ready, relay. And then I'll broadcast that from rules, and maybe that will fix my problem. Because it feels like a problem with that not file. Oh, I just did that one, did I? Okay. I was trying to do the other one. Where am I? Here. No, not you. You. Okay. You're up further. Just move so quick. It's already a relay. What about you? No. And this one is going to be the other. Huh? Yeah, oh, it's just invisible. Okay, so now let's save it. Go into here, then I need to restart the editor, but the relays now are what's going to do this. So player ready, no, upper team ready. Maybe the relay is not here yet. I think it only gets created when I do this. Okay, and then send that out to everyone. And then lower and lower. And lower. And I didn't do it on the other side, did I? Oh, I didn't need to. Sorry. All right, so let's see if that works. I think that's probably going to fix it. Because that's all it can be if it's not triggering those. I think maybe there's just a lot trying to receive it now, so rules needs to send the messages, not the actual trigger volume. And then once it saves, I'll restart the browser. And while we're waiting, shout out again to my game, which has a couple of days left of the qualification. I am actually giving away a free NFT today. I'm giving away a free season pass, which unlocks the drill, premium pickaxe, and vault clue, only for new registrations today. And that was posted earlier on X. But yeah, Deep Vault Digger is almost in the championship round. $75 for first place. Okay, let's restart the editor and give this a go. I hope this works. It really doesn't make sense otherwise. If all of the messages are correct, and the only way to trigger those spawns and to get the flags is to trigger the start of the level's firing. So things are not getting the messages that have been fired. I think there is a way to bring up the messages in the inspector or something, but anyway, whatever. Let's do this. No, that's not doing it. Okay, we probably need to take those down a bit anyway, or put colliders on them so we're on top of them. Let's just get into it. Go start at the bottom. Okay. It's not firing at all now. Oh, of course, sorry, it is, but you can't see it. It's stupid. There's a point light on there that And I think it was sending to it something else. Hang on. Okay, the point light. No, that should get it. So it's not relaying it. Is it going? It's going to all, going to everyone. Avatar and range. Lower team ready relay to lower team ready. No. Lower team ready. Ready. God, that's a bit dumb, wasn't it? Lower team ready, ready. Far out. Dumbo. Okay, let's try that again. How's our... That's better. It's displaying at a bit of a better distance now. Cool. Oh, okay. Well, that's all a bit off the ground. My jetpack. Go, go, go. Fly, fly. Get up there. All right. Let's lobby it. These lobbies lock too, so they lock one shit in them. There we go. The right message gets the right behavior. Did I make it? No. Come on. Oh, I missed it again. Oh, I should start at the top. Oh, there we go. Oh, I still got to work on the character controllers a bit. Oh, why didn't you like that? What happened there? Why did you do it? You're letting me do it again and again. Oh, I know why I've been getting the duplicate behavior. Sorry, I have to fix this now. I haven't got a ball on it to stop you from doing it multiple times. Sorry, just I need to fix this quickly. There needs to be a variable for, I thought there already was. The level started. Is there not? Huh. There you go. Okay. This is the easiest fix. Ball. Local, no one else needs to know. We're just going to use it to stop us from spamming the start. Sorry, I still need to be in the boards. Level start. Surprised I don't have one. Okay, anyway. So we need to do logic that checks for a ball. Check. Okay, to start level. No, sorry. Check if level started. So we're going to change it to level start dot check. Level dot start check. Round. Oh, we do have round started already. Hang on. So if we already have round started, why are we not checking it? Are we checked if okay to start? Lower team ready. That's not. Ah, because we need to do another one. They need to be ready, but we also need to have not started. Okay, so I didn't need to create that variable first off. Let's just delete the variable. What we need to do is call the check from here. So that calls the check, and that calls the check, and it checks to see if the round has started, and if the round, no, round has started. If the round has started is false, then we call level start, and we change the bool to true. round. Even though I'm calling it level start, whatever. It's a bit bad naming, but hey, it's a game jam. Okay, that should do that. That should stop me from spamming that now, and only allow me to do it once. And that would have been restarting the timer every time I did that too. All right, and then after this play, I got to get to bed because it's 1 a.m. Actually, no, I'm going to do, if you guys are still watching it, I'm going to do one round of Deep Vault Digger. I've got some people watching it. I've got to do at least one round. Okay, let's do this quickly. Those are looking better now. I need to speak to Cyber Dragon and ask him to give me the ability to put a sort of limit. There is a box limit, but it doesn't seem to restrict it. All right, let's go. Let's go. It's going to work this time. It's going to work all the way. It was a full working game loop this morning. Okay. Hey. Oh, there we go. No. Okay. So that's a barrier there, but you can talk to the contestants if you're spectating. Okay, now don't let me spam start. Okay, good. Yes. Right. I'm just going to put my own flag in. It's not what you're supposed to do at all. You're supposed to put the other team's flag in, which is why the lower team just won, even though I was the upper team. Okay, so that worked. We're going to go from the upper team for this match. Please work this time. Where's my bounce pad gone? Huh? Did I destroy it? What? What? Can I climb up? I hope I can. I can climb up this anyway. That's climbable. Oh, come on, that's climbable. Oh, well, I must be at the top. No. I thought it was climbable. Oh, I am at the top. Oh my god. Okay. I started off at the top. That's dumb. I clearly don't know how to control my character. I do need to work on the character controller. Alright, let's do this. It's late. I did warn people it's late. Okay, I'm hoping it'll look good if you're spectating on this as well. Okay, cool. So let's take you. The barrier still didn't spawn. Only that one did. Okay. I'm gonna have to delete the other barriers and duplicate that one for whatever reason. The other ones are not happy. But at least that worked. Nah, it didn't work. It's not detecting it. There must be a problem with the tags on the core, maybe. Done something to the core. Alright, I'm gonna give up on this in a second. But it's this one. And that one. What have I done to you, core? Up team flag. Yeah. It's the same on all of them. Okay, anyway, whatever. I'm going to leave it there. It was working this morning. You could get all the way up. I will fix it. It's not going to be too hard. I've done a lot today. You can kind of go around there. I'm going to save that. And I'm going to do one quick round of Deep Vault Digger, which will take me about probably 3 minutes. And then I'm going to wrap it up there. But thank you so much for watching. Cheers for the support, Sandfam. Okay.